Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we would also update you on the remote jobs, that is the work from home job opportunities those are available. So the first job opportunity is for the junior QA role. Location is Mohali. Immediate joiners preferred, and they are looking for a detailed oriented junior QA who can join the growing team. And if you are having experience in manual testing, API testing, Postman, and performance testing, then you can apply. So the experience is 6 months to 2 years of QA experience, and you can send your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for freshers, developers. Location is Noida, Sector 62. Company is Techun Software Solutions. So they are hiring for interns for 3 months, and it would be converted to full time based on the performance. Notice period is immediate, and the stipend would be 15,000 rupees per month. Good package post internship based on performance. Mandatory skills are HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript. Eligibility criteria is BTech, BCA, MCA, or equivalent in CSIT. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV. Then Nagaro is hiring for the QA automation, and the location is Gurgaon. The experience is 7 to 10 years. Immediate to 30 days joiners are preferred. Skills are API testing, Java, manual testing, REST assured, and Selenium. And you can send your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer. Automation focus location is a remote. This remote job opportunity, work from home job opportunity. Experience is 5+ years, minimum 3+ years in the field of QA automation. And all these are requirements like they should be aware about Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, APM, any one of the automation frameworks, any one of the tools. Then CI/CD pipelines, Jenkins, collaborate with the developers, DevOps, product owners. 5 years of QA testing experience, 3+ years focused on test automation. That's very important. And you can send your updated resume to this email address, or you can also apply via WhatsApp. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer at Delhi. So they are looking for someone who is having experience of 4 to 5 years. Location is Delhi, and company is Novostec. They are looking for immediate joiners. Okay, so how to apply? So you can, if you are interested for this position, you can share your updated CV at this email address with the subject line mentioned here. And you need to share below details to proceed further, like current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, current location, total experience. All these things are required. Then there is a requirement for testing engineer, manual as well as automation. Again, this is remote. Experience is 5 to 7 years. Domain is e-commerce, and they are looking for a skilled QA engineer in manual and automation testing. And you can send your resume at this email address itself. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer with 2+ years of experience, strong in mobile testing and API testing. Location is Gurgaon, and you can share your resume at this email address. So these were a few of the job opportunities for the testers, for the freshers, as well as for experience, as we discussed. And we also shared with you the work from home, the remote job opportunities. So please put in the comment section if you need any further help, any further assistance required from our side. Right, we would be happy to help you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.